Hello and welcome to Financeable on this new video on how to log in into JM Finance accounts. If you are new, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So first you need to open the web browser of your choice. In the top of the web browser there will be a search bar. Click on the search bar and type JM Finance login and just press enter. You just have to click on the first search results, that is login, and just click it and a login portal will be open in front of you. So on the right hand side there is an login portal where you can enter your username and password or OTP, and there is another way to log in as well, that is through PAN. You need to enter your PAN number or password. You can also enter through email by entering your email and entering your password or OTP, and by mobile number. You can just enter your mobile number and password or OTP, and you can choose any option to log in. And when you have filled up the box with the given information, then you can just click on the login button and you will be able to log in successfully into a JM Finance account. So if this video was helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.